Hello and welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video I'm going to go through the P060A internal control module monitoring processor performance. Now if you are getting this sort of fault code and your car's in terms of symptom, if you are getting, let's say, the car stalling, losing power, it's not turning on when you are turning the key. These are the sort of symptoms, and that's related to that fault code as you saw earlier on the screen. Now, if you are getting these sort of things, there's a few things you can look for to eliminate and to get to the bottom of it and fix it. Now, you can start off by checking the wiring, so making sure that there is the correct voltage, because you've got to remember the ECU consists of various different things, and there are different modules that kind of send message to the ECU. So for example, as an example would be the fuel pump. You've got to check the wiring harness from the fuel pump, or even from that cable in there, and just checking them one by one to see they are getting the right voltage. And if they are, happy days. You move on to the next step and you are checking the pins to see if they've not corroded. Once you've checked them, they're all good. The other alternative would be, in this case, if everything's fine, so far so good, would be to plug it into a diagnostic machine and basically do a full diagnostic scan. Once you've done the full diagnostic scan, look at the modules. So, for example, the BCM, the ISM, the ABS. Look at these different modules, and if every single module comes up with ECU internal fault, then guess what? That means your ECU is packed in. It's corroded, it's, I don't know, whatever the reason is. It's basically finished. You need a new ECU, in other words. Now, the way to go about this would be, there's two different ways that I know. You can basically buy a new ECU and get that coded back to the car. Whoever can do it, happy days. If not, what you can do is, there is people online, and I've seen it on eBay, basically send your original ECU to whoever's going to do it, basically. I mean, they will give you prices online for different vehicles. So, for example, it'll probably work out 100 plus for this cloning. So what they'll do, they'll get your ECU, either refurb the one or clone it to another motherboard and pop it in, done, dusted. They'll send it back to you. It'll just be a case of plug it back in, done. Nothing needed, really. Sometimes might need to do a full scan and clear, but really that's the way to do it. But it is quite common for this fault to happen in any car, whether it's BM, Mercedes, any car. So that's the sort of steps you'll have to take to get to the bottom of it.